Hey everyone, Wayne Fox here. I wanted to do this video earlier, but I've had COVID, haven't had much of a voice, but I needed to update this video. This video I did here, I don't know, a year ago or so, talked about how to get a Photoshop droplet to work, even though you kept getting the error message that it was damaged. And this applies to some other applications as well. Now, this has been a problem for quite a while, and under Sequoia, the process to fix this has changed. It's a little puzzling why Adobe hasn't done something a little more proactive. I guess if they say they can't fix the problem, they're blaming it on Apple, of course. Seems to me that it's telling me that a date's wrong, something in the metadata, and that seems to be something that they could fix when they compiled the app or the droplet. But the bottom line is they should at least give you some warning when you make a droplet that you're going to have to go through this process, because if you don't, then you're going to have to search for it. And everybody that makes a droplet on the Mac OS ends up having to try to search for this. That's probably how you found this particular video. Anyway, under previous versions of the OS, you could simply right-click on the droplet and say open, and you'd get a dialog box, but this would give you the option of open anyway, and that open anyway option is no longer in this dialog box when you do this, and so you have to go about it a different way. Let me just show you real quick how you do it under Sequoia. Not hard, takes a couple seconds longer, just more of a nuisance than anything. So here's my droplet folder. A lot of these I should throw away because they were compiled before the M series Macs. I don't use them anymore. This is a good example here, though. If I double click this Facebook app to open it up, it's going to give me this dialog box. It says it's damaged, can't be opened, you should move it to the trash. This file was downloaded on an unknown date. I'm not sure what that means, but instead of moving it to the trash, I'm going to click cancel and then immediately go to our privacy and security settings under system settings. And I need to scroll down, and you'll notice at the bottom, it will say Facebook app was blocked to protect your Mac. And I just need to say open anyway. And when I say open, it gives me that same dialog. I have to use my password, or in this case, my fingerprint. And now it allows me to do it. And now if I double click that app, I can now open it and it works fine. So pretty simple fix. They've just added that step where you've got to go to the privacy and security setting and click that button, and then you get the same dialog box that you got before. But now that fixes the problem. As I said, I'm not sure why Adobe doesn't warn you when you make a droplet on the Mac. I guess maybe it's a pain. Everybody that makes a droplet on the Mac has this problem. There are actually some other applications which offer the same issue. If you're certain the application is safe, then you can go ahead and do the same step as well. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you're having trouble with that, thanks for watching. See ya.